Let me introduce Raven. Raven Callback is a callback request widget for your e-commerce store, designed to bring your hottest leads directly to your phone fast. These days, website visitors have super short attention spans and little patience when shopping online. New habits around instant gratification will persuade an interested customer to another site if their questions or concerns aren't addressed immediately. Waiting for 5 hours? Forget about it. Your customer is already looking on Amazon. This is where Raven Callback comes in. Raven's job is to collect phone numbers from interested visitors on your website and alert you within 2 seconds. This allows you to reach out and turn that visitor into a satisfied customer. Here's how it works. A buyer visits your website and thinks they've found the right product. But before opening their wallet, they have a couple questions they want addressed. Luckily, they see the Raven Callback widget on your website and submit their phone number for you to call them back. As soon as the number is submitted, Raven will message you about the callback request. All you need to do is tap the button when you have 5 minutes to talk. The beauty is Raven doesn't just alert you, but also enables you to reach out via each visitor's preference. Maybe they want a phone call, SMS, or even WhatsApp. And don't worry if you're too shy or don't know what to say. Raven can also suggest call scripts to start the conversation effectively. A short, personalized, one-on-one conversation with an interested buyer is your small business competitive advantage over the big brands. Install Raven Callback now and build the right relationship with the right customers at the right time. And watch your sales numbers rise.